Oh, this thing is going to come in a whole different direction, whole different angle. Something you didn't see.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The illusion of control. Believing and knowing. You are in a spiritual plight to know thyself. Understanding who you are and what makes you tick will propel your journey in the right direction. The problem comes in when we believe we are in control of what's going to happen to us and how it's supposed to play out. See, we believe that the intention that we placed in the air is going to play out logical, just A to Z. Oh, this thing is going to come in a whole different direction, whole different angle. Something you didn't see. Our journey is going to have its ups and downs and interesting timelines that we're never not sure about or how it'll play out in this story. When I got my reading from Khadijah some years ago, she told me that I was going to be a spiritual teacher like Panic and Bobby. When she said that, I was confused and was like, yeah, she crazy.
Toasty!
I didn't even like talking to people like that, let alone teaching others about science that at the time I was still studying and learning my damn self. I was skeptical about what she was saying, but here I am years later on YouTube, decoding Disney movies and shit. Be on the lookout for when I upload my entire reading to YouTube, so y'all can see how powerful them Akashic readings are. If you want an Akashic reading, go to Khadijah's website at samdireadings.com. When we follow our spirit and make our spirituality first in our life, everything tends to work its way out. The journey we set for ourselves is something that we're playing out. You cannot not live out your purpose if you're on a spiritual plight.
Message!
Staying in your studies and experimenting with everything will take you on the journey you set out to have in this lifetime. Yes, we have the power to choose, but do you think your spirit will let you make a wrong step? No, it'll keep turning you until you get into alignment with your higher self, with your true purpose. We have this illusion set in our mind that we need something. I need to do this and I need to do that. I have to be this by this age or... What? Why? Whose standards of living are you trying to chase? It's okay to want to strive to be something, but the constant, consistent worries of these needs is what's the problem. Black people need to do this and black people need to do that. We need more banking for black people. Be present in the now and live in the now right now. What you need to honestly do is trust in spirit and know that you, spirit, your higher self, subconscious mind, genie, got your back. All you can do is put it in the astral, baby, and watch that thing come back tenfold. You just never know how it's gonna come though. But know it's coming. Dream wise.